table and teach me nothing, you know. No, I the struggling when me face me learn from.
And a lot you teach people.
Alright, remember good no man? I the struggling.
You never gonna college.
Never gonna college.
You have a scholar about your knowledge not shallow.
Remember good man. Yeah man.
Yeah.
Nobody not take me and sat me down on a table and say, "Bad cat, this is right from wrong." You understand me?
Yeah.
So when you grow up, you try to keep on this track. No one never dare to do that. I look and learn and listen and tell myself, say, brother, some way, someday, oh, you have to take yourself out of this, you know, and try to elevate some other people out there too. Because of this, so you see it as. And them see it now, they reach, yeah. Yeah, man. Promise fulfilled to me. Yeah. Because I always tell myself, say, I need to bandage, you know. Always I tell myself in my growing up, say me underneath and bandages. This is not me. This is not what me supposed to be. Me supposed to be more than this. And me don't know if a man think that about for themselves. Me think that about myself. And me no see it happen. So me I tell myself, say then this is what? It's a bandage, but I know something me can explain to you and tell yourself, say, me under one bandage. Me can't tell you, you know.
Can't tell me.
No, me
know.
must know my feelings.
Feel it, yeah, how you feel.
Right, me have a feelings when me feel say me underneath a bandage.
Yeah, like what me I explain to you, me just come here.
Alright.
Say come here, me free.
Free. You're
And
free
me
now,
go for
yeah.
again.
Right.
Have the feeling that I come used to have.
Remember good no man, you get back your freedom where you didn't look for.
True, man.
Yeah man, it's dead for the whole of we now. It's dead for the whole of we in the earth. But it's just a man to fulfill his mind where he want to be in a life. Because sometimes some people might see things going ups and down, you know, and tell themselves, say, all is well is not my journey, that, you know. But when me I go do, success, life are the greatest. So you see, if you maintain life, sometimes you have to take on some hard journey, you know. Where you are going to give up on life journey.
Nah, give up, man.
Alright, you have to take on the journey. Yeah. Maybe a 1 more inch moment for this better day, you know. Give up round you. So what happened? You never live to reach it.
True,
Yeah, man, bear your struggling, no, man, and face your roughness, man. Face your rough time. Nothing no come easy. You see what I say? So just face your rough time. Not try to give up. In the heart of your sickness, everything you just tell yourself, say, brother, all when the last minute and the moment left, Father, you tell yourself, say, me are the one we are going to come out of this. And what can stop you from come out? You understand me? Yeah, come out of it. Oh, you mean if me I come out? Oh, I'm telling you, man, me I come out, man. Yeah, man, me I come out of it, man. Me I take out myself. Yeah, man. You have to have that in you. Yeah.
Yeah, but we never do it alone.
Alright.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you.
It happen.
It have to happen, man. It have to happen, because you don't know, you know. You tell yourself, say you have to come out, you know. But deep in yourself, you don't know where it a come from.
Where it a come from, uncle.
Alright, but it have to happen.
But it a happen.
Oh, you mean it have to happen, man. Yeah, man.
Where it come from.
It have to happen, man. And many more people can tell yourself, say, them see them dream as that.
Yeah, man, that's true, man.
Real life where you tell yourself something, I know it go happen from me, you know, but my life a bit be better someday, you know, if I saw it set, you know. It have to reach out to it, you know. You can't give up, man. You can't give up, man. You have a aim, you know. Each man have that in a life, you know.
Give up is not an option.
Oh. Something have to go on and have to happen, brother. Yeah, man. A one life me have and me can't live it twice, you know. Me only can live it once. And I want a man to understand. You understand me? You can't live this twice. You only can live it once, brother. So the dear is the life come with face where you have every day I live with you. And that you have to live nothing but in a fucking time after nor no when. And this are the time now where you have to live your life. You understand me? You don't know the one time, man, of the life, you know. Make that folks not away from you and so, you know. Who can know why you're here and why you've been through again in the life. Yeah? No one ever know that. No one can recall from that, say, boy. The God pass and gone, but him have a better life tomorrow. Which one now we can count on that? Fuck. Eh? We have to live this once. Once we have to live this, yeah. So if I preach, you have to preach it, you have to just preach it, you understand me? And if I sleep, you have to sleep it, brother. And if I wear, you have to wear it. And if you have to eat it. And if you have to drink it, just drink it. And that's idea once. You see me? Yeah, man, some people now go get that knowledge and the understanding still, you know. Some people just fucking ups and down. Like a upside down something there. What they call them? Them something were flying at the fucking air at night.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, bat them.
They bat them, yeah. Remember good no man? Rat bat.
Them brains upside down.
Alright, yeah. Remember good man.
Oh.
I real talk, me I tell you man.
That's true,
Look at this, you know, brother. You tell yourself, so you see earth, you want a little dwelling place in a earth where you can build one little castle. Where you tell yourself, say that little castle is a castle of mind. You want to live comfortably, you want to live happy. So you see, if another man have a castle over this or around this or out this or over this or up this, you don't want to see him live happy too, you know. Deep in your heart and your mind, you tell yourself, say, that little man feel live happy, but him not thinks about you. You understand me? Him a think say your life is fucking miserable. Every day of your life, then where him a go? Where the blood clot him a go in the earth, eh? Where him a go? Which part him going reach? You see what I say? You will blaze up in a brother, but you must fucking out. Remember good enough, man. Yeah, man, so just you have to think the best of yourself and people same way, brother. Nobody tell yourself, say, all is about yourself. You want good, clean, pure water to drink. Why me fi drink the dirty one? Remember, you know, the good, clean, pure water good for you, you know. So when you tell yourself, say, no good for me. Eh? The dirty one are the best for me. I hate me for live fun. Yeah, man, and that you design for me, you that will never blood clot up. Now you are going to end up drink that dirty fucking water the way you design for me. You are going to end up drink that. Yeah. Yeah, man, you are end up drink that fuck. So me no dig ditch for people. No time.
I dig one for yourself.
Then you must and me no plan for dig that for myself. So me not dig none for no man. Definitely, bro. Yeah, man. Who is me if you come and dig ditch for you or who me? Me know what me know about you. What you done to me, so. Me no need that, brother. No, man. Me need to open a gate of mine. And that me need to open a gate of mine. When me know say, yes, this is my gate and me a open. Then know my gate, me can't let in who me want to let in. Where the fuck me a dig ditch? But ditch not something where bury and kill you and sink you. Then me wish that for you.
Dig one ditch, I will drop in there with them.
Remember good no man? That's why me tell them say the man will try to rise a weapon against another one. It's just the weapon where you rise against yourself, you know. And the worst fucking weapon can joke you.
True, man.
That heal can't well. That sword can't heal. You joke yourself to death. You understand me? Yeah, man, me not do so, man. Me not do so in a life, man. Me go gambling, you know. Me sit down with man and gamble with my money when me work for hard money, you know. You got that thing a joke, me I tell you, you know.
No, I do, man.
Me wish for you win a game, you know.
Yeah, I mean.
Me wish for
know
you win a fucking game.
I win to make you feel good.
Alright, brother. Me wish to see you win a game.
By
To
one
you, man.
game.
Alright. You think me tell myself, so me I go set my money and me want to just a win,
Straight.
so?
No, me not going straight.
No, man.
Would
This
I
is
like
not
going
my
straight,
9
but
to 5
me
when me
not
tell
going
myself, say a job, you know.
True. Just
So-
enjoyment.
Just a enjoyment.
Like a
So the
habit.
more
See,
game
when
me
I go
win,
smoke,
and the more me enjoy the game, and the same for you.
More make you want to play.
If you now win no game, you go enjoy this
No,
game.
you not go want
Where
to
the
play like that.
enjoyment there for you.
True, man.
You understand me? You just continue losing straight. You get an enjoyment? No, the enjoyment not there, so.
I'll get fed up.
Yeah, man, you have to win and a lose and a win and a lose and lose and a win. And that's how we have a joy. Where the fuck me I go tell myself, say me want for just a win from 6 o'clock this morning, they start gamble till 6 evening.
Yeah.
Then I me want have joy. Yeah, man, I me alone want have joy and happiness, man. Fuck you. Life not be like that, brother. You know, set up so. People just can't understand, brother. Remember me tell you so. Me tell a man say, make the flow, brother. And make it continue. Yeah, man. Me is always there to see it, always there to hear it. Yeah, man, me not forget it, man. Remember that some happy moment and nice time here, cause Border Cat is here every time. Nah, give up. Remember me telling you, nah, give up. I mean, nah, switch. Remember, good no, man. Yeah, man.
I mean, nobody's straight with men.
Alright, brother.
No negative we not run with.
None.
I will not take on no negative speech neither.
Remember, good no, man. Yeah, man.
So anything you want to say negative, we just say it.
Yeah, you can always think me negative.
Yeah, in a trouble way.
You know, trouble me. Me knowing of myself, me I want the positive switch. So if you want to tell yourself, say, Border Cat so negative, it's up to you. You're far from positive.
Right.
You understand me? You know that man I just sit, you know. Many people like sour things, you know. Some like it when it's sweet. Some like bitter things. Some like it when it's fresh. So who is me? You understand me? Me have my own choice. You have your own. You want to tell me something if you like bitter something like it, huh? Eh?
Yeah, that you want to tell you.
No. You can't choose that for me. Me likes things were sweet, you like what fresh.
Yeah,
now with that, man, I think blend same way, no, man.
That's true, man.
Yeah, man, me feel like what fresh with you. And if me no like what fresh, me no nothing. Yeah, fuck yourself, man. Then you want to choose my road for me? No, man, I no say thing, come on. Yeah, man. We have black, we have brown, we have blue, we have brown, we have white, we have green. Which one you choose? Who is me for Bex choose you have a choice? Are you make all these things we make choice of color?
Yeah.
Eh? Choice of color is there for all of you, you know. Yeah, so you have a choice, me have one. You see me? So we not have to go on like say, brother, this thing have to be partiality. You know? So if you not like when me like me and you can't be good. No, man, life no go so, man. Me no look at it at that. No, man. That road is no good, man. You have to think different, man. You man, fear road that, brother. Yeah, man.
I mean, I will like it like.
It's not a must. You find it happen at times.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes.
Yeah, you find it happen at times. But not all the time. Who is your febex with me through me no like what you like?
That me I said too.
Who is you? You did give me what me have?
No.
Are you give me life?
No.
Are you give me choice?